Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate using a coffee machine. First, gather your ingredients: cocoa powder, sugar, milk, and water. Make sure your coffee machine is clean and ready. Measure 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar into the coffee pot. This simple method uses the machine's heating element to create a delicious, warm beverage quickly and efficiently, perfect for a cozy treat. Now, add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water to the coffee pot with your cocoa and sugar. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the cocoa powder and sugar are completely dissolved. This ensures a smooth, lump-free hot chocolate. Place the coffee pot back onto the machine's heating plate. Turn on your coffee machine and let it heat the mixture, just as it would brew coffee. The machine will gently warm your ingredients. Let the mixture heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You want it hot, but not boiling. Once it reaches your desired temperature, carefully remove the pot from the heating plate. Pour your freshly made hot chocolate into your favorite mug. You can add toppings like whipped cream or marshmallows if you like. This quick method provides a comforting drink with minimal effort, perfect for any time. Feel free to customize your hot chocolate. Try different types of milk, like almond or oat milk, for a unique flavor. A pinch of cinnamon or a drop of vanilla extract can elevate the taste even further. You can also adjust the sugar to your preference. For more great tips and deals, including a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.